We all know about Kolkata tragedy.
Namaskar.
കുറേ പേര് ഈ പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ സോഷ്യൽ മീഡിയയിൽ കൂടെ സ്റ്റാറ്റസ് സ്റ്റോറീസ് ഒക്കെ ഇടുന്നുണ്ട്. പക്ഷേ യു ആർ ദ സ്ട്രീറ്റ് ഫോർ പ്രൊട്ടസ്റ്റ്. വാട്ട് വാസ് ദ റീസൺ? വേറൊരു സോഷ്യൽ മീഡിയ ഇതിനായിട്ടല്ലാതെ ഇറങ്ങി നിന്ന് ചെയ്യാൻ ഇറ്റ്സ് നോട്ട് എ സിമ്പിൾ തിങ്. വാട്ട് വാസ് ദ ഇൻസ്പിറേഷൻ?
Inspiration means I realized we are human. In Bengali we say manush, man, push. Man bhi hai, push bhi hai. Means we are humans and our doctors have taught us they are the real architecture for our spinal cord to be straight. Because you know it's not a fight against the rapist or the criminals. It's a fight between the common man, Abhay's family, the doctors general and the system. It's not easy to fight against the system who are governing. I think who are governing the West Bengal the state now. So I think history has spoke a lot about Bengal's contribution for the partition and different movements from Nakshal to so many movements we know about the history. So I think it's our culture, for a genuine cause. For a long time Bengalis, they had, that there's a lot of threat culture. That's one of the reasons I have left my own Bengal. I'm working in South Indian industry now. That's one of the biggest reasons. So there are a lot of Bengalis who are migrating out of Bengal due to this syndicate, this threat culture. I'm not scared of anyone because in Bengal also we have been telling, not only me, there are n numbers of common man, artists, various artists. So they all were on streets and it was sleepless nights. Still now we are demanding justice still because the government has allocated a set of 21 lawyers against Abhaya. Against Abhaya we the common man. So whom to fight? We now only we have to be beside the doctors. So whatever we say, we will become the opposition. We were politicized in opposition parties as opposition parties. So ignoring everything, we kept fighting and the fight is still continued. We are beside the doctors. We are collecting funds now because our family, we know it's definitely they are from very lower middle class family. So the doctors we are contributing to the doctors. They are collecting fund because yes, we know Indira ma'am now, she has taken over the case and the fight will continue. The next hearing was 27th. It is postponed to 30th. Again, shame on the government because they want more time. Justice delayed is justice denied. We can't take it. And we were sleepless, walking for 25 kilometers, 30 kilometers from one place to another. Then, protesting through songs, dance, and it's not a dance. It's been a culture of Bengal. I think Kerala also we have seen some days back through Kalari they are doing some street protests. So this is also our culture through street painting. So all the sensitive artists who are, I feel they are the real heroes because on screen it's very easy to become a hero, to tell the dialogues written by the script writers, but to be the real hero, I think I have always believed in the power of common man, so which Bengal has once again proved and we feel we will be doing it until justice is served. Thank you so much.